How to save $10,000 on a $50,000 salary. Most Americans think saving $10,000 is impossible. Unless you make a lot of money. But here's the truth. Thousands of Americans earning around $50,000 a year are quietly saving $10,000 every single year. Not by hustling more. Not by living miserably. But by using simple money systems. Today, I'll show you exactly how to save $10,000 on a $50,000 salary, step by step. Stay till the end, because the final step is what makes this actually work. A $50,000 salary sounds decent. But after taxes, rent, bills, and food, money feels tight. That's why saving feels impossible. The mistake most people make is trying to save what's left over. Americans who succeed do the opposite. They build systems first and let saving happen automatically. Let's break it down. Step 1. Know your real take-home pay. On a $50,000 salary, your take-home pay is usually around backhand index pointing right $3,200 to $3,400 per month after taxes. Saving $10,000 a year means backhand index pointing right about $830 per month. That sounds scary. Until you see where it actually comes from. You don't save it all at once. You stack systems. Step 2. Pay yourself first. This is the rule Americans who save money never break. Savings comes before spending. The moment your paycheck hits, a fixed amount goes to savings. Automatically. No decisions. Even starting with $400 to $500 per month puts you halfway there. When money never touches your checking account, you don't miss it. Automation beats discipline every time. Step 3. Cut silent money leaks. Most people don't overspend on big things. They bleed money quietly. Subscriptions, food delivery fees, and used apps. Impulse spending. Americans who save $10,000 track spending once, cut waste once, redirect that money forever. Most people find $200 to $400 per month without changing their lifestyle. That alone can add $3,000 to $5,000 per year. Step 4. Fix the big 3 expenses. Saving money isn't about perfection. It's about the big 3. Keycap 1 housing. Keycap 2 transportation. Keycap 3 food. Americans who save aggressively live slightly below their comfort zone. Avoid car payments that eat income. Cook more than they order. You don't need extremes. Small adjustments here free up hundreds every month. Step 5. Eliminate high-interest debt. High-interest debt destroys savings. Credit cards, personal loans, buy now pay later traps. Americans who save $10,000 pay off high-interest debt first. Stop interest from stealing progress. Redirect payments into savings. Killing debt is like giving yourself a raise. Step 6. Use automation and AI tools. The smartest savers don't track everything manually. They use AI budgeting apps, automatic bill payments, spending alerts, savings rules. These tools prevent overspending, catch mistakes, remove emotional decisions. The less you think, the more consistent you become. Step 7. Break $10,000 into small wins. Saving $10,000 sounds hard. Saving $250 per week, $125 twice a week, $40 per day feels doable. Americans who succeed track progress visually, celebrate milestones, stay motivated by momentum. Progress fuels discipline. The real secret: Saving $10,000 on a $50,000 salary isn't about income. It's about systems. When saving is automatic, spending is controlled, and debt is managed, money starts stacking quietly. Final message. You don't need a higher salary to save more. You need structure, consistency, and the right systems. Build the system, and the money follows. If you want simple money systems, AI budgeting tools, strategies Americans use to win financially, backhand index pointing right, subscribe to the money system. Because saving money isn't about luck. It's about building systems that work quietly.